Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 4. Our topic this week is constant drip. This is day 2. Yesterday we talked about things that leak and dripping faucets, and comments were really good. We talked about the Proverbs woman who we don't want to be like. And then we talked about setting the tone in our own households. So our verse for today comes from Proverbs 12:25. Worry weighs a person down, an encouraging word cheers a person up. So I really like this because for me, whenever we do the love languages, the 5 love languages, mine is always encouraging word. So that means a lot to me to have an encouraging word. It's easy to worry and weigh ourselves down with our worries. But sometimes that just takes that one person that comes along and says something encouraging or positive to us that cheers us up. I know I see this with students all the time. They always say it takes 1,000 good jobs to get past one comment that was discouraging to the student. So it takes like 1,000 positives to get rid of that one negative. And I don't know if it's 1,000, but boy, it sure seems like it does take a lot to bring them back up to having confidence in themselves. So our quote today comes from Barbara Johnson again. Some people spread joy wherever they go, whether or not they mean to. And some of us have to put forth a little effort to keep a smile in our hearts. Others are never happy unless they're complaining about something. So I kind of see 3 different people here. Those who are just joyful and they just exude that joy wherever they go. Some of us, the second group are those that work a little bit to be joyful, but they try. And then the last one is those people that probably just never experience joy because they're just complaining about something all the time. It's hard to look past their own circumstances or their own just anger or bitterness that they have within them to look beyond that and see the joy in things. And I think we all know somebody who fits each of those categories at some point. And maybe we all are each of those 3 at different times. So I don't know that I'm ever the first one where I'm just spreading joy wherever I go, whether I mean to or not. But I like to think that maybe I make somebody happy along the way. So, anyways, hopefully you're better at being the first or maybe even the second person than I am. So question 3 today, let's take a look at another proverb about cranky women. Turn to Proverbs 21:19. What does Solomon pass along as wise advice for his son? And then question 4, would you say Proverbs 21:19 might occasionally apply to you? And do you want it to? So good luck with those questions. Again, I really enjoy reading your responses and look forward to making these videos every day and challenging myself along the way. So stay safe and stay healthy, and we will talk to you again tomorrow. God bless.